In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Duplicate transactions can really throw off your reports, your bank reconciliations, and your overall sense of what's actually happening in your business. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a few simple habits and checks you can use to keep your books clean and accurate. First, let's talk about what to do when new transactions download from your bank. When you're in QuickBooks Online, head to the Banking or Transactions section and look for the For Review tab. This is where all of your imported bank and credit card transactions land before they're added to your books. If you see a transaction here that you've already entered manually, don't click Add. Instead, you want to match it. QuickBooks will often suggest a match automatically if the date, amount, and payee line up with an existing transaction, such as a check, a bill payment, or a manually entered expense. Take a second to review the details, and if it's the same transaction, choose Match. This tells QuickBooks that the downloaded bank record is confirming what's already in your books, rather than creating a second copy. Adding it instead of matching is one of the most common ways duplicates are created. Next, make sure you haven't connected the same bank or credit card account more than once. Go back to the Banking or Transactions section and check the list of connected accounts along the top or side of the screen. Each bank or card should appear only once. If you see two connections that point to the same real-world account, QuickBooks will pull in the same downloads twice, and that leads to a lot of extra cleanup. If that happens, you'll want to disconnect the duplicate connection so that only one live feed is bringing in data. Finally, when you're manually uploading transactions from a file, such as a CSV from your bank, it's a good idea to use a private or incognito browsing window. Opening QuickBooks in a private session helps avoid browser glitches or cached data issues that can cause the same file to be processed more than once. After you've confirmed everything looks right in private browsing, go back to your regular browser and clear the cache. This reduces the risk of QuickBooks misreading an upload or showing outdated information that might prompt you to import the same data again. By matching instead of adding, keeping your bank connections clean, and using private browsing for uploads, you'll dramatically cut down on duplicate transactions and keep your QuickBooks Online data accurate and easy to trust.